Hi, Chrislyn. I liked your presentation a lot. It was really well thought out and very informative. Thanks for your response to my video as well. I liked how you mentioned the various enzymes and you went step by step really nicely. And I really liked the chart at the end that showed the totals as well as that flow chart that shows what happens in aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration with the products at the end. So I used the table that you included as uh, part of the logic in your presentation. And you had mentioned that an anaerobic respiration, no Krebs cycle would occur. And so when I added up the totals, 20 ATP would be lost because no Krebs cycle would occur um, in anaerobic respiration, and so that leaves us with 10 ATP. Um, I am gonna say 10. It could be even less. That's my own guess as well as from research that there's even less ATP made in anaerobic respiration. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for your presentation again.